Everyone, my name is Tayo Salim. Thank you very much for having me here today. And I'm going to go straight to let me say, the matter of discussion or for our training for today, or the skills we are going to be looking at, which is GD or graphic design. So one thing I mostly, or like one thing I mostly tell people is that everybody in this universe, in this planet, is a designer. As far you can solve problem, you're also a designer, because graphic design, we are solving problem for a lot of business owner, so many sector, whether agriculture, education, and so on and so forth. You can mention without the help, or let me say, without the segment of graphic designer, that particular segment or that particular business cannot move smoothly, because they have to communicate, like they have to like explore, like speak to their audience or speak to their customers. And for them to speak to their customer, they need to communicate in form of graphic design. They need to speak to them in form of graphic design, so that they will understand what they are passing to them. So i'm going to move straight to the main thing we are going to start today. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is, I believe every one of us should know this application. So the first thing, if you don't have this application, you can just go straight or drive straight to your Play Store, because everything is online. You can just download it. So I'm coming trying to, okay. So this is Play Store. This is Play Store. Play Store. This is Play Store. So this is Play Store. So under my Play Store, I can just do PixelLab. PixelLab. This is it. I'm searching for. So so this is the application I want to download. This is PixelLab. So so this is the PixelLab I want to download. After I download, so since I have the application on my phone already, I don't have to download it again. So you can just download it. Just want it to open. Yeah, this is it. So many features on it, and the more you learn, the more you explore on it. So that's just the logic about it. So I believe every one of us will give his attention to try and learn this, because it's very, very important. Because the world now is on, like, world now is about technology. So first thing I want to do now, after you download everything, so this is the application PixelLab. When you open it, it's going to open directly, like it's going to go straight to this. So okay, so this is my last project. This logo, everything I did on this application. So but whenever you open the application, newly is going to show the default like this. It's going to be like this. So it's left for you now to know, okay, what you want to do with it. So first thing here, I'm going to explain every tools here, because one thing you need to understand about design, whenever you are doing any work, or let me say, one thing I would say is that whenever you are doing any work or whatever you want to do, the first thing you need to understand is understand the tools, how to use the tools very well. If you can use the tools very well, definitely it will be easier for you to be like to use, like to do any kind of design you want to do is your own choice now. So a lot of idea will just be coming, and you can just manipulate it, you understand, with the basic tools, you like the basic understanding of the tools. So this is it. So let's start from the top here. I have something like top, like plus at the top. So when When you click on the top where the plus sign is, and you see something pop up, a lot of things will pop up there. So starting from the text, current date, sticker, shape, from gallery and draw. I think they are up to 6 elements there. 6 elements are there. So I'm going to explain everything to you so that you can understand what these tools are actually talking about in this application. This application is very easier to manipulate, or whatever design you want to do in, let me say, you want to do it very fast, you can do design here very fast. Flyer, logo design, business card, and so on and so forth. Just depend on how you can use the tools very well. And you need to give your time sacrifice to make sure you are able to, achieve the best on it. So the first thing I will say here, okay, so let me delete this. Okay, so let's start from this top. So from this plus sign, we see something like text. And you see when I press text, it shows new text. So with your hand now, you can pin it in and pin it out like this. Just pin the text like this in. It's going to decrease. When you pin it out, it's going to what? Increase. It depends on how you do. So if you cannot do that, you can just, I think this one is very easier. Well, what take for instance, maybe the text is very small, so you want to increase it. It will not be easy for you. So, but this one is very easy. You can use this like this, pin it in and out, and you see it's very easy. So why? So the next thing now, maybe let me see my first class, So this is it. As I say, pin it in to decrease the what, the shape like this. If you understand, this is it, my first class. So after that, this is the current date. You can just say current to this date. This is it. Then the next one is the shape, sticker. So these are sticker, free sticker. If you want free sticker from this, so let me say this. Let me cycle this. Number 1. That's number 1. So number 2 now. I'm going to go. When you tick this, then I'm going to pop up sticker. So under sticker is under sticker. You want to show so many sticker you want to use, just like your sticker you have. So let me take this. This is flower now. I just increase it now. Bring it like this. See? And you see? I'm doing. I just bring it in here like this, and it's good to go. Sticker. So from gallery now. So if you have any picture from your gallery now, you want to import maybe any picture now. Take for instance, there are a lot of design I did on this. There are this one with the application. So let me take for instance now. I want to design for survey. Okay. Let me say this. I want to find this name. Okay. This picture now. You can just bring the picture. I'm going to explain to you how to remove background. Another application you can use to remove background. This is a picture now. So see, this application is very easier to use. Very easier to use. Can you see that? That's it. So after that, then draw. What do you mean by draw? If you want to draw something, maybe I feel like customizing this in a way that going to look, you understand? You see, just drawing something. If you know how to draw very well, you can draw. I use this tool to draw whatever you want to draw. So it's going to be in form of elements now, combined together. So you understand. So that's it. You can use it for design, whatever you want to use it for. So, so I'm going to explain everything to you, but we are starting with this plus sign first. And after that, so in our next class, we are going to talk about this next icon here. No, on our next class. So thank you very much for joining this class. Please share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Yeah. See you in my next class. Thank you very much.